So that's the other aspect of our radio technology that's very unique. That has benefits. It has lots of benefits in terms of RF pollution. You don't have to blast your way to something. It's like a directional microphone versus having to scream. That's kind of what radios do. Just crank up the power, and that creates a lot of reflection effects and other aspects of the RF environment. That's not good. We're in the process of ramping. We're building our 100 megahertz platform. That will be a band 77 focused. Our radio architecture is unique. It's an all-digital radio. The radio can support 600 megahertz to 4.2 gigahertz. And the way we band limit or band deliver is we actually have an all-passive filter that goes on top of our radio. Once we have these filters for the various things, we can basically drop it onto the RF board.